Hi, welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Right now, I'm going to explain about order of operations in mathematics. Order of operation is important to solve mathematics problems. To ensure that we have the correct answer, we need to follow the rules. So rule number 1 is multiply and or divide from left to right. So whenever you see the mathematics problems like this, it means you only divide and times, multiply. We need to work from left to right. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9, and then write times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, rule number 2, add and or subtract from left to right. So, this is the mathematics problem. Then we need to work from left to right, because you can see that it's only subtract and add. So we need to work from left to right. So 30 minus 10, it's 20. Then write plus 14. And the answer is 34. Rule number 3, we work from left to right by carrying out multiplication and division first, followed by addition and subtraction. Now you can see in here we have to subtract, add, times, and divide. If things like this, it says we need to work from left to right, but carrying out multiplication and division first. So let's see here, we need to work this one out first, because if it's from left to right, but then it has to be multiplied first. So we write 18 minus 3 plus 4 times 9, 36, and then divided by 6. See this one, it's subtract, add, and divide. Then we have to divide first, because if it has to be from left to right, but multiplication and division first. So we write it again, 18 minus 3 plus 36 divided by 6. It's 6. Now it left with subtract and add. If like this, then we have to follow rule number 2, which is from left to right. So 18 minus 3 is 15 plus 6. Then 15 plus 6 is 21. Rule number 4, if there are brackets, we need to carry out the operations in the brackets first before working from left to right. So, since you see, this mathematics problems has a bracket. So we need to work the operation in the brackets first. We write it 70 plus 40 minus 10, it's 30 times 4 divided by 60. Now, if it's in here, you can see it's add, multiply, and divide. Again, rule number 3, we need to carry out multiplication and division first. So, we need to write 70 plus 30 times 4, it is 120, divided by 60. And again, in here you can see it's add and divide. We have to work the division first. So 70 divided plus 120 divided by 60 is 2. So the answer will be 72. Okay, I hope you can understand. I will give you 2 questions to help practice with the rules that I just mentioned. Okay, number 1. Here, 6 times bracket 3 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4. Now, if you see, sorry, this one times, if you see that we have to work what in the brackets first. So we need to write 6 times in here, even though in the brackets there is add and divide. So we need to work what divide first. So 3 plus 4 times 4. And then still this one, it's in the bracket, so 6 times 3 plus 4, 7 times 4. Because both only multiply, so we need to work from left first. So 6 times 7, 42 times 4. And then the answer, it is 168. Second question, 8 divided by 4 plus 9 times 6 minus 2. Okay, bracket. Again, we need to work what in the brackets first. Just keep writing it. 4 plus 9 times 6 minus 2 is 4. Now if you can see, this one divide, plus and times. So we need to do what left first because divide and times come first, then add. But then divide first on the left, then multiply. So 8 divided by 4, it's 2 plus 9. We need to work this one out first and then times 4. For this one, it's only left with add and multiply. If like this, we have to work multiply first. So 2 plus 36. And then the answer will be 38. Okay, I hope you can understand.